All right, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so let's talk big picture. All right, when it comes to the overall market, we are currently uh, ex- experiencing the results of what we're seeing with further escalations with Iran. Um, so if you look at the market, there's a K shape happening right now. We have the Qs going down further, breaking higher time frame, like multi-month lows, and oil is spiking dramatically. So the price of oil. So we saw since Wednesday, Thursday, Friday pre-market all day buying, and then it gapped up this morning. Oil depots were destroyed, and that's causing a large move. It caused a large move on Sunday, with and then uh, we saw the gap up coming into the market this morning. If you look at the oil futures, CL. So Sunday night we had that large spike up there. That's the gap there. So U.S. oil is in play if you can trade it. Also, we're seeing. If we look at the top of the scan. We're seeing companies like TPET and some of these other oil-related companies, or companies that indirectly uh, will be in higher demand. Those companies are rising as well. Like some of those stocks are rising. Okay, so Qs are down, so that means that the Nvidias of the world, they're also breaking support levels. So they're seeing headwinds. So oil is in play, USO, and then we could be looking for some sort of bounce, but we just have to be careful. Um, we kept seeing prices push back down into support and then spike down into support and bounce. But we have headwinds, and that conflict acts as a weight per se. Okay, so USO and the TPET, TURB, some of these companies. VG is one that does natural gas, uh, and because of what happened, like in the Middle East, there are certain. This is a U.S. company, and some of the natural gas providers in the U.S. may be in higher demand because of what's going on. Okay, so that's why you see like companies like VG, even after earnings, it's holding up, and we're seeing it gap up, and it may continue with oil. That's the reason why. So there's a lot of sympathy stocks that are moving directionally because of the conflict. Okay, so that's bigger picture items. HIMS. Okay, so HIMS had a deal with Novo Nordisk, and so had the spike there, uh, broke multiple levels, and it's up against resistance, higher time frame resistance there. Uh, these are levels back from 2024. So if we do see strength at the open and high volume, we could see prices break through there. So that's one. QURE is another that we see on the scan. This one is raising because of this announcement, a rally on Vinay Prasad. So some of these stocks are rallied on Friday. Now it's in a tight range. Looking to see how volume is going to come in this morning, if it's going to rise continuously there. Okay, so fresh news names are that one, and then RLMD is another. This one, Ramalda Therapeutics, phase 2 bladder trial. This could be like a low float style spike. It already gave crazy amazing QO type scalp this morning, pulled back, and now it's pulled back through VWAP, So uh, we'll see if it bounces again and more volume comes in. So that one's on watch. More of a low float style move though with that announcement. The biotech. Yeah, I had some issue with my cam, so I'm not on camera, guys. I didn't have time to put my backup on, so that's what's going on if you don't see me. But I hope you had a great weekend. I hope you were able to review, look at that February review video. A lot of great, a lot of good information shared there. All right. So as usual, let me know what you're looking at, and I will get to it. Okay. Let's see. We have we have a lot of stocks that we're moving that are kind of like just kind of on the back burner. TTD floating. We have a few other names that are on the scan that have had moves over the past week or so. Like RCAT that really ran up, pulled back, and then now is showing strength here. We had some of these drone related stocks that also had movement. PLTR has been in and out of play naturally because of its of what type of company it is. So this one rose here, rallied really strong on Friday, pulled back, and then now is showing a lot of strength here. So that's one that is be interested to see how that one holds up in light of all of what's going on. Okay, so we have again, I won't go through all of the stocks on the back burner. I think those are my top picks that I went through so far. So let me know what you're looking at, and I'll do my best to give some commentary. What's up? What you got? What you got? Are we're pretty much aligned? All good, everybody? Okay. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'll drop off the YouTube stream, and I'm gonna pop the Dash Trader Pro up, and we'll continue to get at it. Okay. Yeah. All right. Yeah. I mean, let's just be patient. Let's see what we see. You know what you're looking for. Everybody on the call. If not, you're still gathering. You're still observing. Don't jump the gun, and don't force anything because of narrative alone. We should see volume and the tape support our thesis, right? Our ideas. If we don't see volume supported, then we just wait until it does. That's the final confirmation, right? If volume is there, if traders are there, we should see them, right? We should see the tape should support it, level 2 should support it. If not, we just wait. Because a narrative fundamentals are just, signs of potential sentiment, but we want to see volume support our entries. So as long as we have that and we wait, we'll be in a good place. Okay. All right. Thank you all for supporting.